The COVID virus in Michigan is alive and well, with the cases reaching record peaks never seen before.
When we look at our new cases, our weekly cases per 100,000, we're now at a point that we have not seen through this pandemic. This is the highest number of weekly cases we've ever had, 129,937 weekly cases in Michigan.
That's cases per week, and to make matters worse, public health officials would like to see the number of positive COVID test results at about 3%. Michigan's now at 33%.
This is a number that we have not seen since the beginning of the pandemic, when tests were very limited.
And on top of that, hospitalizations are setting new records too.
And again, the numbers that we've seen during this surge have not been seen at earlier times of the pandemic.
Public health officials report that while cases are exploding at the moment, if the data is correct, the worst is yet to come. This chart shows the optimistic and worst-case scenarios for the future. Unfortunately, according to health officials, all of the pessimistic numbers appear to be en route to reality.
What we're expecting is a very sharp and fast peak. When we look at our most pessimistic model, we're looking at about 200,000 cases per week in Michigan.
The model also projects eventually 8,000 hospitalizations. And on the COVID death front,
our most optimistic curve looks similar to where we are now, without too much of an increase in hospitalizations. Again, we don't think that that is likely to be reflective of our next few weeks here in Michigan. And the same with deaths. The most optimistic curves are showing us following a similar trajectory to the one that we've been on. However, the most pessimistic shows a very steep increase in deaths.
Given all that discouraging data, is there an end in sight? If more folks get vaccinated, if more folks mask up, and if more folks stay away from more folks, health officials say the answer is yes. But there's a but.
We will likely peak between the end of January to early February. And then after that, things will start coming down. If we don't use the tools we have, and we have a lot of tools, if we don't use the tools we have, we can expect those peaks to be at those really worst case scenarios that I showed you.
Bottom line on COVID in Michigan, things will get worse before they hopefully get better. In Lansing, Tim Skubic, Fox 2 News.